Bloom, hold, and abide. You like the line from Emerson, "Earth laughs in flowers," and what proof! In the cheer of pink and white striped petunias, those bright red peonies in the front window box, and the tiny, fragrant revelry of jasmine that climbs over your fence. But look at you! You too are as one of these in your garden. We feel such joy when we see you. You stand in front of the cabin, arms open to the heavy gray sky. Face lifted, you tell me it's brighter than it was. These lively gestures of yours are your bright, layered petals. I wonder at your stubborn strength, some inner disobedience to the command, "Stay still." You will not agree to have all the ancient stones at your fingertips, as such bounty is only found in books, which is why we search for the bayou tapestries in midwinter, this single old thing better than all the rest, all at once. And so many fetes, and all those hours wrestling blackberries and haughty Scotch broom into partial submission, this slender and graceful stalk holds, still holds. But of course your love is my most of all. I remember how you sewed a tiny vinyl motorcycle suit for my stuffed bear, how you rolled dough into warm sugared spirals, how you reminded me that it would be okay to fail French. These among other things, a million other things. How this love, your roots, abides, even across great distances and even pulled thin like melted sugar.